In this video, we will learn how to connect a headset to an LG TV using the Bluetooth feature. First, go to the home screen and open Settings using the Settings icon. Then go to Sound Settings and select the Sound Out option. Here you will see multiple options. Next, go to Use Wireless Speaker. Then again you will see some options. Here, click on the three dots next to the Bluetooth device option. Now you can modify these settings. Under Registered Devices, you can see the paired devices. And under Connectable Devices, you can see the available devices that you can connect. Now click on Speaker Connection Settings. Then change one device to two devices, BT headset only. After that, start searching by pressing the search button. The connectable devices will appear. Just select the device and hit OK to connect. You can connect two headsets at the same time. You can also modify the connected device settings. Using the Bluetooth speaker volume option, you can adjust the volume of the connected device. By using the disconnect option, you can disconnect the device and it will reconnect automatically when it comes within range. By using delete device, you can remove the connected device from the registered devices list. After that, you will have to pair the device again to connect it. Now go back to the home screen and press the settings icon on the TV remote. Then choose the Sound Out shortcut and press the slider until you can see the Bluetooth device option. You can modify the Bluetooth device settings from here as well. Now we have learned how to connect a headset to an LG TV using the Bluetooth feature.